In a heated exchange, Defence Secretary John Healey stood firm on the UK's ambitious defence goals, leaving many wondering about the financial roadmap ahead. Defence Secretary John Healey faced a tense exchange with Laura Kuenssberg this morning as he defended the government's long-term defence ambitions while refusing to spell out how the spiralling costs will be funded. Mr. Healey confirmed that the government aims to increase defence spending to 3% of GDP by 2034, following the next general election in the early 2030s. He also reiterated that the UK, alongside all 32 NATO members, has signed up to a landmark pledge for overall defence and security investment to reach 5% by 2035. The Defence Secretary insisted the plan represented a major strengthening of Britain's deterrence capabilities amid increasing aggression from Russia and a global climate of heightened uncertainty. "This is a huge commitment," he told the programme. "It's about strengthening our deterrence with NATO allies and responding to the increasing threats we face." But Kuenssberg pushed back, pointing out that such an ambitious pledge would require a huge check, and that the government had yet to explain who would be footing the bill. "Plainly this morning you're not going to tell us where that checkbook is going to be opened," she swiped. Mr. Healey did not deny the point. Instead, he turned to one area of spending he was willing to detail, which is military housing. He said the state of accommodation for service personnel had been an unfixed scandal for too long, confirming that the government has taken military homes fully back into public ownership. He announced a £9 billion investment over the next decade, claiming this was more than double what the previous administration had allocated. "People in uniform deserve better," he said. "We are finally making the long-term investment that has been neglected for years." Labour is set to build 100,000 new homes on surplus Ministry of Defence land, and give service personnel and veterans priority access to these new homes through its Forces First policy. This strategy aims to reverse years of underinvestment and poor conditions in military housing, which Labour claims negatively impacted morale and recruitment. "We've awarded armed forces the biggest pay rise in 2 decades and expanded childcare support to families deployed overseas. Labour promised to renew the nation's contract with those who serve, and we are seeing that job through.